Hey everybody, this is Eric with the North Shore Travelers, and today I wanted to give you a quick room tour of our room towards the end of the trip, room 2248. It was an adjoining room which worked out nicely because my parents are right next door. We did purchase a few items that made the room more usable, and I can link those in the description down below. Room 2248. Yep.
It's a heart.
I'm going to show everybody
They left a note. They left a note.
what it looks like towards the end. It's still not too bad. Just all the shelving in here. And the kids are looking at the towel heart. And there's the bunk beds. We were wondering what kind of room we'd have in here. Still not too bad for 4 of us. Then we did get a adjoining room with my parents, which was helpful as well for getting ready. And then we have this bathroom. It's got the full tub, and it's got some shelving and a mirror on the wall for makeup. And then we have our next bathroom here. This is the corner shower and some shelving there and some shelving there. So all in all, it was roomy enough for us. Some things that helped is the wife picked up this organizer. Help organize the kids' clothes. And this is a shared one with me and the wife. And this cabinet got some of my clothes. And here's the drawers. Here's the safe. And then we also have our fridge. Another thing that helped was purchasing these magnetic hooks. Help hang up some jewelry, swimsuits to dry.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, jump.
And this is our room.